Hey guys, Miss Jennifer here at Siegler's Karate Center for this Parent Corner episode. And today, guys, we're going to be talking a little bit about time management. I know moms might be thinking, I've tried that. I'm a really good time manager. I'm just really horrible at it. Let me give you a tool today that has dramatically changed my life as an executive director. I use this in my work. I encourage all my team members to use this as well. And it works for life. That's how it's so powerful. It is something you can take and you can put right into your family. And it's called time blocking. So essentially what time blocking is you take out a sheet of paper and you start writing down all the hours of the day. And then you start writing down what you're doing in those hours and what you think you're going to accomplish. You might be thinking, that seems like a lot of work. It's a lot of work on the front end, but it definitely pays off as you go throughout your day because it keeps you on track. Like if you ever sat down at the end of the night, you're sitting down in the bed and you go, oh no, I forgot to do that. Well, you probably forgot to do it not because it was not on a list. You probably wrote the list. But you weren't living by that time block and getting it done and purposing yourself to get it done in that time frame. So time blocking also allows you to see what gaps that you have. You know, if you have downtime throughout your day, purpose that in. Like if you really want to spend quality time with your child, don't plan anything else in that time block and purpose yourself to sit there with your child and color, or sit there with your child and read, or sit there with your child and do something else, or go be active, go out for a walk. Like it's your time block and you should not feel guilty for spending it with your child during that time frame because you blocked it out. Likewise, as you're moving forward, I want you to start thinking about putting the things down that are harder to do earlier in the day. Because procrastination is the death blow. Most of the time we'll put the things that are hard to do at the end of the day because if we get to them, it doesn't really matter. But guys, that procrastination will cause you to get off track for the next day and the next day and the next day and eventually stop you from reaching your goals. This is what I think will help you the most, so go out there, try to time block, write in the comments. I would love to know how your week goes.